Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more residents inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In starting that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so method number one is build and upgrade houses. So constructing and enhancing houses is a fundamental to accommodating more residents. Each house provides additional space, and upgrading them not only increases capacity but also boosts residents' happiness. Enhancing the furniture within these houses further improves satisfaction levels. So just simply keep upgrading your house by clicking on it. Keep clicking upgrade, like so. And then once you've upgraded all the things in there, we want to go ahead and actually upgrade the house. So as you can see, house 3 level 8, we want to go ahead and upgrade this and upgrade. Now this is going to give us more residents when we keep upgrading these houses like so. And now if we move over to the town center, we want to go ahead and upgrade the town center as well. So the town center serves as the core of your city. Upgrading unlocks new buildings and features, including the ability to construct more houses as you progress, especially upon reaching the age of true gold, which is around day 70. You can upgrade your town center past level 30, allowing for further expansion.